Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Homekit Light Switch you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Homekit Light Switch and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Homekit Light Switch so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a HomeKit Light Switch. First, make sure the switch is fully compatible with Apple HomeKit, as some smart switches may not support all HomeKit features. Next, check your home's wiring setup, since most smart switches require a neutral wire for installation. You should also look at design and build quality, ensuring the switch matches your home decor and feels durable. Consider the ease of setup through the Home app and whether it supports voice control via Siri. Another key factor is automation features, such as scheduling and scene integration with other HomeKit devices. Lastly, think about reliability and brand reputation, as trusted brands often provide better updates and long-term support. Making the right choice ensures seamless control and a smarter home experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.